Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel TJ Maxx Credit Card. To cancel your TJ Maxx Credit Card, simply follow through the steps till the end. First of all, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in tjmax.tjx.com and search. You will then find yourself in the official website for TJ Maxx. From the main homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and click on the Contact Us button under Support. The easiest way to cancel your credit card for TJ Maxx is by calling through the customer service hotline. Once you get to this page, you can simply find the customer service numbers displayed on the screen. In order to call for your credit card, look for this option where it says TJX Rewards Credit Card and call the number displayed right beneath it. Once you call on the number, you will be speaking to the customer service representative where you can inform that you'd like to cancel your TJX Rewards credit card. Follow through the instructions till the end and be prepared to provide any verification, security questions along the way. And that's how you can easily cancel your TJ Maxx Rewards credit card. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.